I decided nga maanhi mi dinhi kay kung narag ka sabay, may stuck ka sabay, mag-aburrido imong mo nga niingon ko nga mang gawa sa ta. So this area here is a Pony Lake here in Nebraska. It's really frozen. This is not really a big lake here, but it's beautiful, especially during you know, the spring season, and you can see the leaves of the tree. But for right now, all you see is snow. They have also a table here, so you can, you know, camp out or stay here during summer or spring. It's really fun.
This is Pawnee Lake.
How big is the lake?
I really don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Have we been here before?
Maybe a mile and a half long.
Okay.
No, we're just gonna pull the van in. We're gonna go boating in the van. I think I'm gonna try to go in here. Maybe.
Somebody left the door.
Thank you guys for watching my video, and have a nice day and night, morning or afternoon. Bye bye.